In a world of evolving geological and economic conditions, the family farmer faces constant challenges when it comes to pasture management, from overgrazing to increased costs to repairing damaged soil and land. Now, through the use of cutting-edge satellite technology, the Dimitra Livestock Guru platform gives the family farmer the power to optimize their pasture management, allowing them to monitor grazing conditions to discover and implement a unique grazing pattern for their land, enhance soil quality by surveying damaged land and employing replenishment strategies, generate reports that track the vegetation density of their land, providing a year-over-year comparison of farm growth, improve water and nutrient distribution, track seasonal conditions, measuring the effects of rainfall and temperature on their pastures. With the Livestock Guru's suite of enterprise-level management tools, the family farmer can manage their land with confidence, maintaining optimal pasture performance. Together, we can increase yield, reduce cost, and mitigate risk. Try Livestock Guru today.